Ready to make your CapCut videos absolutely luminous. This tutorial will guide you step by step to add a stunning glow effect that will make your footage truly shine. First, open your video project in CapCut and select the clip you want to enhance now. Tap on the effects icon located in the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. From the effects menu, choose Video Effects. You'll see a wide array of filters and animations to choose from. Scroll through the categories until you find Glow. Tap on this category to reveal all the available glow presets. Take a moment to preview the different glow effects. You can see how each one subtly or dramatically alters the lighting and adds a luminous aura to your video. Once you've found a glow effect you like, select it. You'll notice it appears as a new layer on your timeline above your video clip. Now it's time to fine-tune. Tap on the applied glow effect on the timeline to bring up its adjustment options. Here you can control the intensity of the glow, making it more subtle or more pronounced. You can also adjust the blur to soften or sharpen the edges of the glow. Experiment with the intensity slider until you achieve the desired level of radiance. Don't be afraid to push it a little to see the dramatic difference it can make. Similarly, playing with the blur slider will change how diffuse the light appears. A lower blur can create a sharper, more defined highlight. You can even change the color of your glow. Tap on the color option to access a color picker. This allows you to match your glow to your video's aesthetic or create a unique, vibrant look. Choose any color you desire to further personalize the effect. This opens up a world of creative possibilities. Once you're happy with all your adjustments, simply tap the checkmark to confirm. You can then preview your video with the new glow effect in place. And there you have it, a professional, eye-catching glow effect that will make your CapCut videos pop with brilliance. Master this simple yet powerful technique to elevate your content. Happy editing!